Hello students, I am your physics teacher in Lotus Petal Foundation, Pratishthan Learning Center. Today I am going to discuss with you the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So let us begin the topic. First of all, to begin with the law, we must know what is magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is the number of the magnetic field lines passing through a particular area. For example, let us say this is the given area and this black arrows shows the direction of the magnetic field. So in this case, this magnetic flux will be magnetic field lines into the surface area from which these magnetic field lines are passing. So these magnetic field lines or magnetic flux is the number of magnetic field lines passing through a particular area. It is given by BDS. That means phi B is equal to B dot ds. So it is a dot product. It can also be written as B ds cos theta. Now let us move to the Faraday's law. The Faraday's law states that an electromotive force is induced across a loop of wire when the magnetic flux linked with the surface bound by the loop changes with time. The magnitude of the induced EMF is proportional to the rate of the change of the magnetic flux. What does it mean? It wants to say that if a loop of wire having the magnetic flux, then I can say that magnetic flux will be B dot ds. In such a case, an electromotive force will induced in this particular surface, and the strength and the magnitude of this induced EMF is given by this magnetic flux, which is proportional to the change in the magnetic flux with time. Let us assume if the loop contains n number of turns, then in that case for n number of turns the electromotive force will be n times of the E, which is n times of the d phi by dt. Also we know that since phi b is equal to b ds, so it is n times b ds by dt. So this is about the Faraday's law. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much.